Hello my friend, I saw your website and you are a professional on stickers, so I will show you some stickers we produced in our factory. Actually, there are many tabs, including the size, the processing, the material, the color, the textures, things like that. So it is the matte silver color sticker. This one is also matte silver color. It is the matte gold color sticker. It is the transparent sticker. The thickness can be different. And with the glossy matte lamination, it is the PVC matte finish. The PVC sticker. This is the glossy silver color sticker. This is glossy gold color sticker. It is PP synthetic. It can be tear off from the objects, but there are no glue leaf. It is the special gold color. It is the special silver color. You can check the texture is different. It is the fancy paper. It is the 120 GSM art paper sticker. It is normal one. It is super white fancy paper. You can check its texture, special. This one is bench color. It is a leather texture color, leather texture sticker. It's also sticker, my friend. So I will show you more details if you need it. This is transparent PET. Transparent PET. It is the special Alright. This is the art paper with gold foil on the surface. It's matte gold foil on the art paper sticker. This is the silver color foil stamping on the art paper sticker. You can check its texture. It is the pure white water texture. It's normal matte silver foil material sticker. It is a fancy paper. It is one kind of Japanese paper. It is a cloth or linen cloth texture. It is a tree texture. This one is some gold sparkles on the sticker surface. It's a gold sparkles on the right color stickers. This one is normal. So you can see this one. It's very glossy. This is the normal art paper sticker with the brown foil stamping on it. It is the milk white PVC sticker. This one is the gold sticker, as you can see. So if you have any requirements, please feel free to let us know. We can customize for you. Thank you very much.